What did Rico do?
Cream. Hold on, cuz. You know what I'm about to ask you. You don't even know what I'm about to ask. No, you don't. You don't know. Y'all know what I'm about to ask her? Said you want puppies, right? Dude, I'm scared because I already know what you gonna say, cuz. Alright, look. Cream. Do you want puppies with Rico again? Your puppy daddy. Remember that now. That's your puppy daddy.